mistaken, it's been about 3,000 to 4,000 miles since my last oil change. Looks like we're a little low. Just a little lot low. It's pretty burnt too, so it should be fun. Once again, I'm going to pull this off. Doing this will help the oil flow out the bottom, won't create a vacuum. Alright, so now we're underneath the car. I'm going to see where the oil filter is. So that's the rear of the car. This is right up under the front. It's surrounded by the exhaust heat shield, which means it's tons of fun to get to, and your wrench is probably going to give you a hard time. But conveniently, the drain plug is right there. So it's all right here. You also notice I got it up on the ramps. Helps a whole lot with getting under here. You can do it without, but I always end up banging my head. First thing we want to do is catch pan underneath, find you a wrench. So let's try the breaker. Fantastic. That'll work. And before I start this, remember, again, account for the wind. It's windy today, so I've put my board down. Keep an eye on it. Oh, I lost my washer. Yeah, don't lose that. Apologies in advance if I block your view. Let's see if I can get this off without the wrench. Yep, there we go. That's a good sign. Took a little bit of effort. Didn't just fall right off. Now here's the pane. And this is where I get it all over the camera. So I'm threading it while it does that. That is why you don't wear jewelry you care about. Hey Fitbit, want to send me a new watch? Apparently I can only own vehicles that dump oil in the exhaust. I remember signing up for that again. Not something they list in the owner's manual. As before, take our oil filter, generally compare it to the size of the last one. Looks good. Get some old oil, just don't matter really. Rub it on that seal, and place it on up there. This is fun because I can't see what I'm doing. There we go. Alrighty. There we go. If you need to, clean off any dirt from your drain plug. Go ahead and throw that back in there. Remember to hand thread it before you tighten it. That will keep you from putting a lot of force on it if you cross thread it. It doesn't prevent you from cross threading it, prevents you from damaging it if you cross thread it. A decent little tug there. Again. Yeah, that's good. And we'll just wipe up. Remember to save the lid so you ain't gonna lose it. And just pour without over the engine. There we go. Now this is a 5-quart bottle, and I need 4 quarts. Start up. Looks like we're a little bit low. Just a bit though. Alright, so showed a little bit low, but I realized that the engine's tilted on top of the driveway till we got it up on ramps. So I'm just gonna make sure it's not leaking right now. I'm gonna back it down and we'll check the fluid again. Well, no leaks. Everything was there before. No, that's from oil filter. Let's go ahead and back her down. Alright, let's give that oil another check. Now that we're level. There we go. Looks, sounds good.